Huawei will launch the Mate X6 Foldable on November 26th. The device is already up for registration on the Mall online store with a single picture, giving us a preview of what the device will look like. The Mate X6 will have 4 cameras on a circular island, and we could have believed it was the Mate X3 or Mate X5 if it wasn't for the new position of the periscope lens for the telephoto camera. The image also reveals a flat power key, meaning it will act as a fingerprint scanner. There won't be any under the cover display or the foldable panel. We can also assume the red leather option is similar to the Mate XT Ultimate, while the gray, named Nebula Ash, has a glass finish. The listing on VMall revealed 3 more color options besides the 2 pictured ones: black, white, and blue. Customers will be able to choose between 3 memory configurations: 12/512 GB, 16/512 GB, or 16 GB per 1 TB. Registrations will close on Tuesday morning, with the actual sale scheduled for several hours later.